Tapered IM implants from BioHorizons. BioHorizons tapered IM implants offer a solution for posterior restorations. Deep, aggressive buttress threads provide primary stability and compressive bone loading. The dual affinity laser lock surface creates a connective tissue attachment, maintaining crestal bone and reducing probing depths. The inward collar design assists with unobstructed thread engagement to avoid deviating from the ideal placement location. Helical cutting flutes increase surface contact and are self-tapping. Tapered IM implants are placed using existing tapered HD drills with length drills specifically for tapered IM implants. To help initiate the osteotomy in the ideal location, the tooth may be decoronated, leaving the roots in place. Identify the ideal location for implant placement and initiate the osteotomy using a round burr. Continue to develop the osteotomy using the 2.0 and 2.5 mm tapered HD drills. Once the osteotomy has been developed as far as possible, split and remove the remaining roots. Continue to develop the osteotomy using tapered HD drills. Complete the osteotomy using the tapered IM length drill. Before placing the implant, check the extraction socket to confirm the remaining bony walls are intact and no cracks are present. Tapered IM implants can be placed with implant level drivers for the ratchet or handpiece. Remove the cover cap from the implant vial cap and place into the prosthetic platform using an 050 hex driver. Complete the surgery by grafting with bone particulate and barrier membranes. Begin by tucking a Memlock collagen membrane under the soft tissue at the palatal side of the extraction socket. Fill any remaining voids surrounding the implant body with Mineros bone particulate. Once the Mineros has been packed into the voids around the implant, cover the site with the Memlock membrane. Place a collagen plug on top of the membrane and suture it into place to stabilize and protect the membrane during healing. Learn more at BioHorizons.com.